So let's say you have a judgment against you. Maybe there's a public records where there's some kind of judgment recorded against you, maybe an auto repossession. I see that a lot where they try to collect for a few years and they weren't able to get anything out of you as far as payments, and they put a judgment against you. Or perhaps you owe on back taxes to the IRS. I've seen tax liens out there. Those can be overcome and you could still get a mortgage. Here's what you've got to do. Get on a payment process with either the judgment or the IRS tax lien. And once you've made at least three payments on that, you can now qualify potentially for a mortgage loan. But there is a way to get that removed out of a lien or a judgment status, which will then help your credit rating. So just because it's there doesn't mean it's permanently there. If you can make payment arrangements, often we can get it to be reported a different way.